Hey guys, welcome to brainAttic. So today we have two very conceptual and easy problems from the topic of straight lines. Now, upfront I should tell that these questions are one or more than one option correct type of a question. So we have four options and any combination of four options can be correct in each of the two questions. Now this question was asked in JEE Advanced 2016 and the second question was asked in JEE Advanced 2014. So if you do want to give it a try, you may pause the video now and give it a try. Otherwise, we can continue solving the problem. So in the first problem, if you see, we have three variables, a, lambda, mu, all belonging to the real numbers r. So this symbol stands for belongs to. Now consider a system of linear equations and we are given two equations, ax plus 2y is equal to lambda and 3x minus 2y is equal to mu. And we have to examine each of the four options which are made available to us. One thing to note is that here we are asked, like, if a is equal to minus 3 and then we are asked to check the values for lambda and mu, the combination of values for lambda and mu. So this is one hint I would like to give in the beginning itself. Now in the second question, we are given that a is greater than b is greater than c and c is greater than 0. So all a, b, c are positive numbers. And the distance between 1, 1, which is x equal to 1 and 1 equal to 1, and the point of intersection of two lines, we are given these two lines, okay, is less than 2 root 2. Then we are asked that which of this inequality holds. Okay, so to begin, we'll start with the first problem. Here, in the first problem, we are given that a plus 2y is equal to lambda and 3x minus 2y is equal to mu. So basically I see that there are variables a, lambda and mu, and from the options I get the hint that I have to examine a for being equal to minus 3 and a not being equal to minus 3. Okay, so I should examine it for a equal to minus 3 and a not equal to minus 3. Again, when a is equal to minus 3, I should take care of two options. One is lambda plus mu equal to 0 and lambda plus mu not equal to 0. Now you might be wondering that how do I know all this in the beginning itself. So if I carefully read the question, right, there itself they are given. These hints are given in the option. These hints are given in the option. Now for a equal to minus 3 and my lambda plus mu is not equal to 0. So let me assume that lambda is equal to 5 and mu is equal to 3. How do my lines basically look like? So if I draw the graph, they will basically look like this. They will basically look like this. So this line and this line are parallel to each other. Okay, why so? Is if we write the equation, it would look like 3y by 2 and y is equal to 3 plus 3y by 2. So my slope if you see, right, slope is same in both the places. Okay, so when a is equal to minus 3 and lambda plus mu are not equal to 0, this means they will always be parallel. They will always be parallel. Similarly, when a is equal to minus 3 and lambda plus mu is equal to 0, which means this implies that lambda is equal to minus mu. Okay, so in that case, they will completely coincide. Now let's do it by an example itself. So we are having ax plus 2y is equal to lambda and we have 3x minus 2y is equal to mu. This is given to us. Now I'm saying that a is equal to minus 3, which means minus 3x plus 2y, and let me take the example of lambda equal to 5 and mu is equal to minus 5 because I'm trying to solve for this case. Okay, so this is my first equation, and 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 5. Now if you're smart enough, you can directly see that these two equations are nothing but the same. So they will coincide. Okay, now we have two conditions solved. Finally, we have to identify for a not equal to minus 3. When a is not equal to minus 3, the lines will surely intersect. You can write one equation for confidence, but you will see the same. It will surely intersect and that will have a unique solution. So let us see which of our options are correct. So we see that definitely option A doesn't hold true, because we found that the option B is correct. We have found that option B is correct. We have found that option C is correct, and we have found that option D is correct. Okay. So they are, when they are not equal to 0, they have no solution. When they are equal to 0, they completely coincide and they have infinite solution. And when they are, A is not equal to 3, then they have a very unique solution. So option B, C and D are correct. Now going to the second problem which we have. There what we see is that A, B and C are given to us. A, B and C are given to us. We are given a point and we say that the intersection of these lines, the A2 equation, is less than, the distance between the point and the intersection point is less than 2 root 2. So it's very simple. We need to know, so we are given the lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and the second equation given to us is bx plus ay plus c is equal to 0. So the two equations are given to us. So these lines intersect. By formula we know minus c a plus b comma minus c a plus b, and from the distance of a, like distance between 2 points, I can very easily write the distance between 1 comma 1 and minus c by a plus b comma minus c by a plus b is less than 2 root 2. So this very thing implies 1 plus c by a plus b whole square plus 1 plus c by a plus b whole square is less than 2 root 2. So if I solve this, right, very easily I find it to be coming as a plus b plus c by a plus b root 2 less than 2 root 2, correct? Now this turns out to be a plus b plus c less than 2a plus 2b, and this finally implies that a plus b minus c is greater than 0. Okay, my mistake, let me write this. A plus b minus c is greater than 0. So this is my inequality. So if we check which option is correct in the question, we find that option A is correct. So if you do like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.